Today I am telling about the chapter light. So first we have to know about the light. What is a light? So light is a type of energy. Light is a type of energy that help us to see object. That help us to see objects. If you want to see any object, so light should be there. So next is topic is there, speed of light, where you will find speed of light is more. Speed of light will travel in any situation. It doesn't matter that is a vacuum, second gas, liquid and solid. It doesn't matter it is moving on vacuum, gas, liquid and solid. What is the speed of in vacuum? So speed of vacuum will be 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and in the vacuum speed of light will be largest. Okay, then after it will move in a gas, then after it will move in a liquid, and the lowest speed in solid. This is the descending order of the speed of light. Let's move on the next topic, phenomenon shown by light. Few phenomena is mentioned in your book. So in the phenomena, so first phenomena is here, reflection of light. What is reflection? So first you have to know about the reflection. What is a reflection? So you can define it in this way: bouncing off bouncing back of light is known as phenomenon, is known as reflection of light. And bouncing back of light is known as reflection of light. How you will show this on the paper? For example, you are having a plane surface, a light beam is coming on this surface, and then after it's reflecting. This light, coming light, is known as incident light, incident ray, and this is called the reflected ray. This is called the normal. Like this you can show reflection of light. So one more thing is required here. Some angles will make here by the incident ray, this is called the angle I, and this is created by the reflected ray. So this angle is known as angle small r, and this is called the law of reflection. This is called the law of reflection. So law of reflection is angle of incident ray will be equal to angle of reflected ray. Angle of incident ray will be equal to angle of reflected ray. This is called the angle of incidence, and this is called the angle of reflection. So we can say angle of reflection will be equal to the angle of incidence. Now we will learn about the types of reflection. So different types of the reflections are here. So reflection of types of reflection. Types of reflection. There are two types of the reflections are here. So first reflection, regular reflection, and second is irregular. Irregular is also having a one name. That name you will tell me. How you will show this regular reflection? For example, you are having a plane surface and some light beams are coming on this surface and it will move like this. This is the simple representation of regular refraction. Then after irregular reflection is here. For example, unparalleled, unplaned surface is here. The same procedure is here. Some light beams are falling on it, but some are diverting in different positions. Everyone is reflecting in different position. It means they are not reflecting in a parallel form. This is the simplest way you can recognize reflection is regular or irregular. Let's move on the next topic, mirror. Next topic is mirror. Mirrors are the best reflector. Almost 90% light are reflected by the mirrors. So you can say 90% light reflected from the mirrors. So two types of the mirrors are here, plane mirror and spherical mirror. So first is plane mirror and second is spherical. Plane mirror and spherical mirror. So there are two types of the spherical mirror. One is concave and the second is convex. One is a concave and another is convex. How you will recognize which one is a concave and which one is a convex? This type of the mirror is known as concave mirror, and this type of the mirrors are known as convex mirror. Like this you can identify your mirrors. When you will see the mirrors, so mirrors in a simpler form you can say outer surface and inner surface. Two surfaces are here. So outer surface is polished, so that will be called concave, and the inner part is reflected. Inner part is reflected. In this concave, so outer and inner, outer and inner, so outer surface will be reflected and the inner surface will be polished. By this simple way you can identify your mirrors. If the line beam is coming like this, so it will be reflected in this form, and in the form of in convex mirror, if the light beam is incident on the mirror, then it will be reflected in this way. So outer surface is reflected and inner will be polished. In this case, outer will be polished and outer will be polished and inner will be reflected. So polished mirror will polished by one compound. So name of that compound I am going to tell you. Compound name. Actually it is polished by element by that these are polished. It is known as silver, Ag. But the compound name, you have to know what is the name of the compound. By this, these were polished. These are polished. So compound name is AgNO3. AgNO3. The name of this AgNO3 is called the silver nitrate. The name of this compound is silver nitrate. You have seen the Botter's ink. This is also called the Botter's ink. Botter's ink. During the boating time, you have seen this type of the inks. So this ink is known as silver nitrate. AgNO3. Next topic, uses of mirror. Uses of mirror. That I will tell you in next class. Till that time, thank you.